The time is finally here. I've been planning. I've been planning this makeover for quite some time. I even did a test trial to see how things would go before I invested any more money, but it's a lot of recycling old parts. So let's do it. I love this so much.
Be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right.
absolutely love this space, and I hope you enjoyed watching me create it. The green that I used for the wall is the green that I've used in other parts of the house, so I just reused the can of paint that we had. It was a lot of reusing materials that we already had. The cute little vintage fridge is a fridge that I had in my office when I lived in California that I no longer need. And it just made sense because if the coffee was here and I needed the creamer and milk, it made no sense for me to walk all the way back and forth from the fridge when I already had a fridge I could use. I clearly need to stock up on more coffee. But the baskets were purchased years ago from Target. And it holds some of the rags that I need for the coffee maker, but also for the washable placemats that I have because these kids are messy. I just feel like the coffee station is in a better place. It's at a good height and distance from me being vertically challenged. But not only can I refill the coffee maker, I can also refill the grinder without having to fight with the cabinet that was above it. But it's more minimal, more chic. I think I really like it. I mean, even the shelf was one that we had from years ago. So all in all I did was purchase the wood on top of the shelves that we cut and stained, the beadboard backing, and the trim piece. We all got them from Lowe's. The shelves above the coffee bar, we got them from IKEA, as well as the picture frames. So I think those walnut color matches perfectly. The dining room table we got from Article. We made one purchase along with our couch. I just wanted really good quality furniture and a circular one. So my old rectangular table is actually in my pottery room. And this circular table, I feel like really brings us together as a family. And the best part is it's extendable. So if I need to, I can seat more than 4 people here. And I framed my 2 recent watercolor arts. I'm diving into urban sketching a little bit deeper than I did before. I was looking at my past work and I realized that I did do quite a bit, but I haven't in a very long time. And so I said, regardless of how they look, I was going to frame it. And it's great because it's a nice pop of color that I wouldn't otherwise have had. And even with all the imperfection and the mistakes, it's absolutely perfect. And I'm pretty sure we're all allergic to Virginia and I need an air purifier downstairs. So for the most part, I think this space is complete. There are some things that I think that I'll add over time, like adding some additional trinkets, maybe a small picture frame at the top, and maybe a plant in the corner. But I really just don't want to spend extra money right now. And I think those finishing pieces need to come with time, and I'll see how it fits into my space. At this point, I'm just going to wait and let it come to me. But yeah, I really like this. It almost makes the area feel slightly bigger or more solidified. And if I'm correct with whole feng shui, this is supposed to be my money corner. So I'm glad that it reflects more of my personality and the warmth that I want for my family. But yeah, everything takes time. And even though I've been here for, I think I'm going on 6 months now, I'm really learning with this house to start decorating and making things my own with time. Less stressed and just embracing the joy of creating something, making your home comfy. It should be fun and not stressful. And somehow we managed to do this in a weekend. So cheers to that. But if you're new here, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I have 3 bananas here that I need to make into banana bread today. So I have lots of work ahead of me today. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take you there.